How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's explanation, and it's even the best market where we can apply this method. So here let's zoom in on the states, wait for it, and here let's zoom in and let's choose a city or a state that we are going to focus on in today's explanation. Here let's zoom in on Washington and let's choose a city in here. So let's choose Moscow or Lewiston. Let's choose this city or this place. So here let's go again to the search to type some kind of a small business to see all of their profiles in the search. But before that, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to talk about the three services that we are going to offer those small business owners. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to see if a business owner or the business has a website. If not, we are going to offer to create one for them. And if they already have a website, we are going to check the website in order to find an old website that we can renovate. And if it's all good and it's up to date, there is nothing we can do. We can just move on to the next service, which is removing the bad reviews from their profile. And the third service is managing their social media accounts. So here let's type in the search some kind of a small business, for example hair salons. For example, here let's type hair salon and let's click on search to see all of the available hair salons in this area. So here you can see that we have a lot of hair salons in the area. And guys, in order to find the perfect profiles to reach out to and the ones with the highest rate of working with us, always make sure to check their profile here. Make sure they do not have a sponsored written in the top of their profile, and also make sure they do not have more than 150 reviews as well. So for example, this one here is a good prospect for us. So let's check their profile to see if we can offer them one of the three services or all of them. So here, by scrolling down, you can notice that they don't have a website, so that's a plus for us. We are going to offer to create a website for them, and by scrolling down you will be able to see that they have a lot of 5-star reviews and some 4, 3 and 1-star reviews. So let's scroll down to find the 1-star review, because that's what we are interested in. We are interested in bad reviews because those are the ones who are going to help us convince the business owner to purchase our service. So here let's scroll down and click on more reviews until we find the 1-star review. Let's wait for it, and here let's scroll down, and here it is. We have what we were looking for. It's from Macy Kashmir. I'm down visiting family and I wanted to get my hair done, so I came across the parlor salon. Immediately regretted my decision upon arrival. It smelled like urine. It was gross and has random dead plants all over as well. I left due to the smell and the uncleanliness. Also, the girl who kept peeping through the window should probably not mean mug potential clients. So that is a very bad review to have on your Google Maps profile, and it's only from 2 years ago, and there's no response from the owners, which means this review could be honest. So this is a headache to have in your Google Maps profile, and you can just take that headache out for them by just contacting them and saying that we can remove that 1-star review that they have, and also we can take that headache out for them, and we can always remove any other bad review that they would have in here. So just scroll to see if we can find another one. I think that's all the bad reviews that they have, but it's not just bad, it's a very bad review talking about the place like that, and how it smells like urine, and also how the staff is peeping through the window. So that is a bad review. And guys, you won't need, as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill in order to work with these people. You'll just need to convince them to buy your service or to work with you. Then you will go to Fiverr.com. So for example, if this client pays us $100 for removing the bad reviews, and then they pay us $150 in order to create a website for them, that means we have a $250 in total. So you can just go to Fiverr.com, and you will be able to hire freelancers for only less than $150 to deliver these two services instead of you. So here you can see that we have this one. He will do Google Maps business optimization, ranking, and Google Maps citation for only $25. That means the first service would be done for $25, and this one will create a website for only $80, which means $105 in total. And these people paid us, for example, $250, which means we will be left with $145 easily, without even learning how to remove bad reviews and without learning how to create a website also. So that's just a perfect business to run. And if you multiply the same method to the other profiles, then you move on to the next businesses, you would be left with a great money every month. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.